jisi kan katta sibun ka jingni mi iba George jong iba Charles Pongro Dr. Mukul te along mo ka jingir chan jong ni la se da kimi no sa kini kan katta ka parti tende ngamut ban ong pat de ba ka parti kan nom don su ka jingkermen nak ban job bon number ha ka election Mang iduk saya fi la iya ka NPP ha ka 2013 kidon tang armut ki MLS menta kidon ko ba 20 plus Tina kaliang jong irung hum dadan problem nama Kongres Parti kalau di pakai parti ke ba long well organized ha po ki ha pai ba. Ti ko belum mentang apa yang ngatai pitip ha. Kinong ila jong i baro ni nang tina po belim himnong ino mabong ba is good fight. Even try bahek bangal is a good fight. Yimong manu ban job manu ban rem. Tinang ta ba SDR lang do nang good fight. Tapi yung ba Charles Mangan nanti very good fight. Di Kongres Parti kan don higi kandidat ba biang. Tingin nama banong ba kan dua way yung bon ki kandidat ki nyugi. Kata kam laban long, tapi yung ka Kongres kan mai ban yo bun sit ya. Mara ka jingi junga ki parti ki ban khamdon ki MLA sa kan next election. No doubt ka NPP, PM ka UDP. Who else? Perko Kongres sit ya. Ka tiam sit hang ni kasi jentia kan nomrung. Dia kalau pemana gerils kan, dia hasil high south sunset. Kan masih dia. Nah, kalau pun ni ketika UDP, Kongres, NPP, simple. He should not underestimate the Congress Party. I think I remember during the exit of Basnyu Balang Dahar, along with me. I think you remember during that time, I ran away from Congress. I contest from PDF, Bob Preston, and many other very senior Congress Party workers. But still we win 20 plus. So now minus Dr. Mukul and minus other senior political party leader of the party, I think we have no problem. It is up to us how we strategize during this election because we have a very good support in the grassroots with a very strong organization. So when we have a good aspirant, good quality candidate, then we have no problem to win. At the same time, as of now, the people, they are very clear. They are not happy with the performance of the MDA government in many issues. So I will not say on a very specific issue, but people knows better. So I think people of the state, they want to see the alternative government. Alternative means Congress should be at least give a good support from the peoples so that we can form the alternative governments.